everyone, welcome back. My name is Liliana and today I'm going to show you how to make this slim wallet. This wallet has two pockets where you can put your cards, where you can keep your money. This project is very easy to make. You can find the pattern on the description box. So stay with me and let's get our hands on our sewing machines. Let's go! To make our slim wallet, we are going to need the free pattern which is on the description box. We are going to need a piece of the main fabric, a piece of the lining fabric, and a piece of interfacing. You can use the interfacing you prefer, all right? You don't need to have a specific one. So the fabrics needs to be a little bit bigger than the pattern, all right? Okay, so for the interior of our slim wallet, we are going to need a rectangle of vinyl. This one is 0.4, but you can use 0.2 or 0.3. It's up to you what you have in your house. So the measure is 13 per 8.5 centimeters. It needs to be a little bit more bigger than the pattern, okay? Don't forget that. So for the pocket lining, we are going to need a piece with 12 per 17 centimeters. So we're gonna fold in half. So for our pocket, interior pocket. We're going to need some bias, a zipper. The zipper needs to be a little bit more bigger than the pattern, all right? And we are going to need a piece of fabric of 6 centimeters per 14. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to fold her in half. Okay, then we going to fold her again in half. So it's like a bias, all right, but with our main fabric. A kit of plastic snaps, a zip head, and some bias to finish our slim wallet. We are going to start to fix our main fabric into our interfacing and how we can do that. So we have different ways to do that. So you can just sew on the edge of the main fabric, or you can put some glue on the interfacing and just glue it on that, or you can do a quilt, or you can just simple iron it, all right? So it's different ways to fix our fabric. I will prefer to fix it with a quilt. If you want to see how to make a quilt, you just need to go to the description box and you have a video there which I explain everything step by step. Our main fabric is now fixed to our interfacing, as you can see. So we are going to leave this apart and we are going to start to work in our interior. So let's fix this tape bias on our vinyl. So we are going to sew top stitch, okay, and then we are going to do the same thing in this side with our main fabric and a little sew here. Our vinyl pocket is done, okay. So now we are going to fix our vinyl pocket into our zipper. We just need to top stitch in here, and after that we are going to fix our lining pocket into our zipper. And how we are going to do that? So this is my right side of my pocket, and this is my right side of my zipper. So what we are going to do is putting right to the right here, and we going to top stitch in here. After that we are going to fold her, and we are going to stop stitch again. Pockets are all done. I already applied the zipper head on our pocket. Now we are going to make the sandwich of our slim wallet. So main fabric, sling fabric, wrong side with the wrong side. Now the pockets on. And because our slim wallet has a flap, we need to make sure our fabric is on the right side. Like this, for example, we have some words, and I don't want the words in the end being on the wrong side like it is now. So we need to turn this way around. And like this. So when we close our slim wallet, everything is going to be on place. So now we are going to clip our sandwich. After this, we are going to get our pattern, and we are going to clip it together with the fabrics, and we are going to draw a line all over our project. After this, we are going to sew over the line all the way around our project. I already sewed all over the fabric. I trimmed off the fabric, as you can see, and now we just need to apply the bias tape on our project. Our bias tape is all applied. I already applied the plastic snap, and our wallets, it's all done. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe and turn the notifications on so you never miss a video. One more thing, I would love to see your projects. Tag me in your Instagram photos. Now I'm going to leave you with some bloopers. I hope you enjoyed. See you in the next video. Enjoyed. Come to me now. Hello everyone, my name is Liliana and today I hope you enjoyed. Já não sei se disse isto outra vez ou não. Hello everyone, welcome back. Today